This is LaserPecker, the world's smallest smart portable laser engraver. Start from scratch. Automatic lifting and focusing. It can determine the height of the object accurately and engrave precisely. LaserPecker can copy your sketch to make it work on your desktop. Choose a favorite photo and connect to your smartphone or tablet and start engraving immediately. There are no restrictions on LaserPecker. Record your ideas at any time, anywhere, with any pattern and style. Exclusive foldable protective cover. Provides better protection and using experience. You can also use it to cut out the model from cardboard or blanket. With LaserPecker, you can decorate your home or even your loved ones. Make the ordinary day become extraordinary. Personalize your item. Draw and engrave on craft cardboard, wood, leather, and many other materials with so many different applications. It is also suitable for expanding tripods. Carve any place that belongs to you. LaserPecker is compact and portable. It can be lifted, folded, and stored fast. You can take it anywhere. It's easy to get LaserPecker ready to work. Laser engraving is as simple as having a cup of coffee. Realize all your imaginations with LaserPecker.
So la la